Hello everyone, welcome to this Power Apps Quickie. Have you ever had your Power Automate flow break because someone skipped the required field, like a comment box? Same thing has happened to me. My app was running perfectly for months until the client wanted a change. But I didn't want to touch the app or the SharePoint list. In this Power Apps Quickie, I'll show you how I fixed it right inside of Power Automate, Let's go. All right, so here's my Power Automate. I just created a demo of what the situation was. This is not the full Power Automate. So I was passing a summary field to my child flow, and when they wanted to stop, when I couldn't leave the field required in my app, it'll always break because it was expecting a comment. So here's what I did. Here's the expression. I use an if statement. If the comments field was empty, put in NA, not available. So in the SharePoint list, when it update, it'll have NA in there because it was not accepting a null or a blank. And if it isn't empty, well, just add the comments that was added in the Canvas app. Simple as that. So that's what I did. And it worked perfectly. And that's it. One simple expression and the flow never breaks again. No app changes, no SharePoint tweaks, just clean automation. Hope that saves you some time. Catch you in the next Power Apps Quickie. Bye.